Festive and fun, this cheesy jack-o'-lantern quesadilla will make for the perfect after-school snack for your kids this Halloween, or maybe even a Halloween bash, right?
Yeah.
Chef Jeff is here from Smith's, here to walk us through this pretty cool. I mean, we all love quesadillas, and when you put this little spin on it for Halloween.
Yeah, and what I love is, I think growing up we mostly had like pizza before trick-or-treating, which I'm not going to say is bad, but this is just another option, something easy you can do and fast, and the kids can get involved before they go out trick-or-treating on Halloween, or like you said, after school. But it's fun, and let's get right to it. So,
okay, put me to work.
What we do is we have an oven we've preheated to 375 degrees. We took a tortilla, and I already spread some refried beans on it. This is where you could get creative. You could do ground beef, you could do caramelized onion, just whatever toppings you love. But then take some of that spray and spray our pan.
Okay.
So we want to spray the pan because we want the bottom of our quesadillas to be crispy as well as the top.
Okay.
And so then we'll take our tortillas and put them on there. And then let's cheese them up. This is where
cheesing it up.
I'm like lots of cheese.
This is where you said we get lots of creativity up in here.
Yep. Any kind of cheese, whatever. Then what I love too is you probably already have all these ingredients at home, which is what makes this super easy.
That's the nice thing about it.
Okay, now we get to carve. This is just a couple examples of what I did earlier, but we're gonna test your carving metal here. All right, are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Okay, so, and if your kids are young, make sure to supervise. Stem first. I always make a cut this way and this way.
Okay.
That was, don't connect it though, because you need the stem to stay. Oh, you did.
Darn it. Okay,
you cut the stem off.
Okay.
All right, no big deal though. And that's the fun part about this, is it doesn't need to be perfect, right? And so there's mine with my stem, and then just start making a face. Just whatever comes to your idea.
My goodness. Have me get creative here.
Get creative.
Don't look at mine,
the
guys.
Kids are gonna love this. The adults too. There's something relaxing about doing this. I don't know.
Are you going to plan on doing this with your grandkids?
I think so. I think so, yeah. And it'll be fun.
Something you did with your kids growing up?
No, this is not. No, this is like a new idea for me. I have never done this before.
Same with me, can you tell?
So, anyway, how's yours coming along? You about done?
Yeah, we got about 30 seconds left, so we want to make sure
we don't need much time.
Yes.
Well, there's mine.
Look at that.
And there's yours.
Chef Jeff,
so then what you do is you put your tortilla on top, and there's your whatever that is.
Kind of like a Nacho Libre mess.
Oh, I love it though. Or it looks like the volleyball from what is it, Castaway?
What was that one? Yeah.
And then you spray the top.
That'll scare the guests.
That's so it gets crispy on top. It goes in the oven for about, I don't know, 10 minutes or so. They get crispy. Throw them on the plate. Maybe you get some hot sauce to kind of
pour that on there thick
to outline the
this would be a lot of fun for your family gathering too. You know, just like a little tradition to
get everybody doing quesadillas. Have a bunch of toppings. Yep.
Can't go wrong with the quesadilla.
No, it looks good.
And we're going to have it on our website.
Yes,
so go check out the recipe.